Hi, this is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. I am a avid crafter and I am also a Tula 12 brand ambassador. This is a Tula 12 video where I want to show you a few of the new items that just came out in the last month. One has a gnome theme and one has a coffee theme. So there are both of these have coasters available. Both of them have card kits available, and also journal stickers and a few other items. I'm going to show you real quick, just walk you through a couple of the things. This is the journaling stickers. I use the journaling stickers in journals and also in my planner. These are enough stickers to decorate a weekly layout or a monthly layout. I like them for both. Love the colors in this coffee theme. This coffee theme colors kind of match the colors of our Perks member bonus gift. When you sign up to be a Perks member, you get a really nice cupcake theme journal, and these kind of coordinate with it. So those are the journal stickers. I'm not going to open up the coasters. They have some of the same images. The coasters are nice, heavy chipboard coasters. And there are 4 of them, I believe, in here. So there's those. But I do want to open up a card kit and show you what's in a card kit. And later on, I think I'll show you some cards made with either a card kit or a mini card kit in another video, so watch for that. The card kits come, first of all, with 9 envelopes. They also come with 9 already creased and folded cards and 9 pieces of double-sided paper that all coordinate. Now the card kits are made so that you don't have to have a lot of crafting ability. You can simply take one of the backgrounds and glue it on. If you're creative, you will tear the paper, you will quilt the paper, you will do all sorts of fun stuff to layer it and make it look different. But these are made so you simply have to put a piece of paper on, glue it on. Then you can take some of our fun little embellishments here. There are some buttons. There is some bling. There are some bows that you can add to the cards. And then there's these fun chipboard pieces you can use for embellishments. So you can simply put something down, put the piece of paper down, add some glue to one of the chipboard pieces, glue it on, maybe add a bow somewhere. And you could also add one of these fun stickers. I like to put these stickers either on the envelope seal or on the back of the card. And so you can do those. You can stick this, you can put one on the white paper inside where it'll show up really well because they are a clear sticker. Or if you want it on the front of your card but you're afraid it won't show very well, you can take the sticker off and add it to one of these page flags that's in there. So then it will show up, and then you can place this on your card front somewhere with the sentiment and make a really pretty card. So that is a card kit, just a quick run through of it. And that is the coffee card kit. Now I'm just going to show you real quick the gnome. How about this? This is a gnome journaling card, or journaling sticker sheet with sunflowers and burlap. And of course, cute little gnomes with mushrooms. Those of you that remember, this was both of these are bring back items. There was a vote in, I don't remember when the vote was. There was a vote and you voted to say what kit you wanted to come back in the form of a card kit. And the gnomes and the coffee ones were both close, so they brought them both back. Again, I use these for my planner, weekly or monthly pages, and I also use them for cards and whatnot, and in my journal. Okay, so let's take a look. Here's again, 4 pretty coasters. Let's see what's in this card kit. I'm not going to take out the cards and the envelopes because we don't need those because you've already seen them. Look at these papers. Oh my goodness, burlap. And super, super cute images. Beautiful. We could have so much fun with those. The stickers are adorable. With a nice loose script. I love that. And let's take a quick look at the images of the die cuts in this kit. These would make such great spring cards. Okay, so you can see the bling in the buttons there. 3 buttons, bling. There's our little strips for our stickers, for our sentiment stickers. And we have a white bows, it looks like, in here. Now, the card kits say all you need is adhesive. So if you're a glue stick user, you could use glue stick for all the paper products. For the plastic buttons and the bows, I would use something like a glue dot or hot glue. They will just stay a lot better. Look at those images. How cute are these guys? We have just the regular guy. And then we have the dude with his mouth open in surprise. Beautiful. So that's a look at the coffee and the gnome card kits, journaling stickers, and coasters. So if you like anything you see, I will put the link in the comments to my Tula 12 site or to my link tree where you can look up all my links. Thanks for visiting my channel. This is Kathy Lee, Crafting with Kathy Lee. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you'd want to. Thanks for coming. Come back again soon.